Hi everyone. So today we are going to start looking at angles in parallel lines, okay, which is actually really interesting, and you're going to enjoy this because you get to do a bit of an experiment. So to start us off with, I'd like you to spend some time practicing this. Now I've just dug this washi tape out of the back of a drawer somewhere. It is very festive and it's also not very sticky, so that's perfect for what I need. I hope you guys have got something similar. If not, use chalk in the garden, something like that. But just any kind of tape, as long as it doesn't wreck the desk, of course, please be careful, don't want to get you in trouble. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a line of tape on my desk here, okay, I'm just going to pop that off at the end. Okay, so I'm going to put that line of tape just there. Now I'm going to cut another line of tape, and I want to make sure it's exactly parallel, so I'm just going to find something which has got parallel sides, so a box or something like that. I'm just trying, here we are. So I've got a box of glow stars here, useful things I keep on my desk. And on the other side of this, I'm now going to put a line here. So that's just going to help me make sure that they're parallel. Okay, and just trim that off there. Okay, so there we are. So if you could do something similar to start us off with, and then I am going to cross this line. Now, it doesn't matter where you do this. You could go, oh, dang it. Is that going to be enough? Oh, let's hope so. Yeah, just enough. We'll try. There might be more on there. So you could go like this, go like this, could go like this. That's absolutely up to you. You could do this a few times, actually. It's a really nice experiment. I'm going to just pop it like that, and I'm just going to see if I can get a little bit more tape, because I would like my line to come just off the end slightly. Okay, so I have managed to find an equally festive tape. So let's just stick this on. Oops. Oh, these aren't even sticky. I can't remember where I bought these, but I won't buy any more. Okay, just make sure that's still in a straight line. Okay, so there we go. That's better. I actually prefer this tape. Right then, so to set up your experiment, that's what you need to do. So just to remind, after all that messing around with tape, we should have one set of parallel lines, which we did by popping a box or something like that in the middle to make sure that the lines were the same distance away. And then we've crossed it with one straight line, okay, and that was anywhere we wanted it to be. Now, I'd like you to take your protractor, I know you've all got one, we did pie charts, and I'd like you to go through yours and measure each angle, okay, so here I can measure this angle here, which is actually, let's just check, that is, remember to start at 0 when you're doing your angle, okay, it's just under 70, that's actually 68 degrees. Okay, and I'm going to go around and do that for all of my angles. Okay, I'd like you to do the same, and once you've done that, take a moment. I will put another video up in a few minutes, but please take a moment and see what you find out about the angles. Okay, see if you can come up with any theories, and even better, if you could, then move this line. Once you've done it once, write down what you think and put it somewhere else and see if the same thing happens, okay? Because what you'll find is that some of the angles are the same, but does it work wherever this line is, or does it matter where the line is placed, okay? Do those rules apply all the time? So see if you can find them out first. I'd rather you found them out than me just telling them you, because you'll remember it much better, much more easily. Chat with your friends if you want, that's absolutely fine. You could do this together, socially distancing, of course, but over FaceTime or whatever you guys use, you could do the experiment together. Okay, so like this and see if you compare results, see if you both get the same answers or the same kind of pairings. Okay, so give it a go. I'm going to put up another video in a moment with a kind of a, not an answer, but well, yeah, kind of what you should have found. Okay, so once you've done that, then go and watch that video and see if your results match with mine. Thanks, folks.